Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this spiral, circle or round and how to close it at the end. It's a very easy pattern if you follow the step-by-step tutorial. It is a beginner friendly and nothing complicated. If you'd like to see how to make it, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm using two different colors to show you how to make the spiral circle or the spiral round. We'll start with the white color. I'm gonna leave a loose end from here and I'm gonna make a slip knot. I will chain 2. I'm gonna make 6 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. 6 double crochet. And I'm gonna leave a long thread after the 6 double crochet. Okay, now I'm gonna take the green color and I will insert the yarn of the green color into the same loop over here, and I'm gonna chain 1 and I will make 6 double crochet in the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I will leave the loose thread as well. I will tighten the initial loop together with the loose thread from the green. So I will tighten and then I will make a double knot so it doesn't open later on during my work. Okay, so now I have my both colors. So before we go any further, I'll explain what to expect and how to go with the pattern. So the same as the flat circle, you start usually with a 6 double crochet, then the next round you do 2 double crochet in every stitch to make it 12, and then the next round you make 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch to even expand the circle more. It's exactly the same. What we're gonna do now with the white, we're gonna make 2 double crochet in every stitch to obtain 12 stitches. So the first double crochet, which is the small one over here on the side. So yarn over and make 2 double crochet. And 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And in the next stitch, same 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and in the next one. And in the last one, which is this one, the last loose one, we're gonna slowly, without losing the thread, make 2 double crochet to obtain 12 stitches. And again, loosen the thread. Now take the green one and do the same on top of the white. So you see so far with the white how it looks like. Now with the green, I'm gonna make the same 12 double crochet, means 2 double crochet in every stitch until I get 12 double crochet. So here again I got 12 double crochet, means 2 double crochet in every stitch. And we're gonna continue the same. I will alternate between the green and white. Now into the white again. Like I said, the same when you work a flat circle. Now I'm gonna start with 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and I will alternate 2 1 2 1 for 18 stitches total. So the initial one was 6 stitch. For every increase you add 6 more stitches. Means I have 12 here in the last worked stitches. 12 plus 6 is 18, then 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 6 is 30, and so on till you obtain the width you want of your project. Now 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, 2 in the next stitch, 1 in the following stitch, and I will continue. So 2 double crochet, and my last stitch must be 1 double crochet, which is on top of the loose one, and loosen the thread, and come back to the green and do the same. So this is the first double crochet, so 2 double crochet, one double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the following stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch. I should get 18 stitches. and 18, and this is how it looks like so far. You continue as I have explained, decreasing the number of double crochet in one stitch. Means the next one will be 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches, and again you keep the count. Now I'm going to show you how you can close the spiral and fasten off. So in the next 2 stitches I'm gonna make 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and slip stitch into the last stitch like so, and the same on this side. 1/2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next 2 and slip stitch in the last one. And this is how you close the spiral and get a coaster, or you can make a blanket, or you can make any project of your choice which has the round shape. Very pretty spiral. I like the pattern and it's very easy, very similar to the circle one. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy. Don't forget to check the next one, which is 3 colors, 3 or 4 colors of the spiral. I'll have to check. So check the next video. The written pattern will also be linked in the description box. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.